Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use Canva for your need and for your business. So let's get started. And Canva provide us already ready to use templates for our need, and you can go with your templates and just search as per your need. If you are searching for something business or social media, marketing, cards and invitation or education, so you will go with these options. And if you don't want to go with this, as you can see, there are so many templates over here. And here I can search by this also, and here in search bar I can write anything. Like if I go for the Facebook post or Instagram post, so I will click on this, or I can write in my search bar what I am looking for. As you can see guys, there are so many posts or templates. You can easily edit in these posts, and you can sell these posts on Fiverr or on Upwork. So some are here for premium, like this post is paid, this is paid, and some are for free, like this post is free. You can edit it for free, like this is paid and this is free. As you can see, this is premium and this is free. If we go any of them, so let's go with this. You will click on the post and customize this template. On next new tab, you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you can edit it very easily. So these are the suggestions. These are the suggestions for if you continue with any other design, so you can choose one of them. And if you want to continue with this, so you can re-edit your post. So this is the design option. Here you can choose your design. Means if I go with this design, so I can recreate this from here. Here you will paste your logo if you want to, like if I put my logo over here, so what will I do? You can add elements like icon, pictures and background. These are frames and grids and vectors. You can add these vectors, like if I want to this vector on my I can move it and I can resize this element. So if you don't want to keep this on your post, so you can delete it. And if you want to upload your picture and logo over here, so you can upload your files. Just simply you have to go upload files. Once you click on upload files, you can I want put this logo on my post. This logo is PNG, and I will put this on my post. So here I will resize it. Guys, as you can see, I put my logo over here. Same as logo, you can upload your picture over here. Like I want something for something foodie. I want this picture on my post. And this picture should be here. And now I want to change background color, and I want something grayish or light gray. And about this, I will change its color. And this is be careful about your alignment, and I don't want this on my post. And also this, and I have to change this color in white. Something grayish. If I want to change the text, you can simply tap double click on this text, and you can change your text. I want to make it more bold, and this color is I don't want this color, and I will, if I go with this black, so I will check. Oh, and if I go with the blue, yellow, and here you can change your size. First I will remove this. You can remove also with the click delete button. Just I am increasing the size of my text. You can rotate it by clicking this option. So guys, I am increasing, and you can change alignments, and you can this is italic something. If you want something italic, if you want, you can create this, and I don't want this font. I can change my font over here. There are so many fonts. Some are free and some are paid or premium. As you can see. So this, and if you want to add more text, something stylish, you can put from them, and as you can see, there are so many stylish text or fonts over here, and you can pick one of them and you can retype it by clicking twice on this text, and you can see your design and projects over here. Just create your folder name, share with your team. You can create your team over here, and you can share your folder with your team. Here you can see your designs, your folders, and your images will be shown here. If you want something animated, so you can animate your post or your GIFs over here. So as you can see, guys, if you go with something like GIF or a video, you can animate also. If I go with this, and now I have done with my post and I want to save it in my PC. So how I will click on right top corner. Here we can see share button. We have to click on this. You can share your post by link, but I have to download in my PC, so I will go to the download and click on download button. As you can see, guys, your post is downloading in your PC. So this app is very easy to use. All you can do over here, you can edit, you can create post, banners, flyers, and you can create GIFs over here. You can animate your posts and your videos. See, let's play this GIF. Here, so guys, this is our post and we can play it. As you can see how beautiful is it's looking like. If you upload it on your social media, so it will be more catchy and you can get more clients and more customers from your social media platforms. So guys, this is how to use Canva, and so hope you like it. Thank you so much.